Burt's Bees toothpaste. We have them regularly priced $5.29. They're on sale 2 for $9.98. We also have a 5 off 2 coupon, making them 2 for $4.98, or basically $2.49 each. And this is for the adult toothpaste. However, there's a little bit better deal if you want to grab the children's. So if you can happen to grab the kids, which is regularly priced $3.99, they're going to be just $1.49 each with that 5 off 2 coupon that is also attaching to the kids. Alright, if you need some contact drops, like Refresh has a great deal here. They're regularly priced $7.99 for a 4 ounce or 0.4 ounce bottle. And then we have a 5 off 1 Imperk, making it just $2.99 for one of these. Alright, I'm not sure if I'm just looking in the wrong spot or if these are tagged incorrectly, but we do have a deal on the Opti-Free Pure Moisturizing 2 ounce bottles, which in the store it's saying $3.49, but when I looked it up it said $3.25. We have a 3 off 1 Imperk, so it's gonna make it roughly 25 to 49 cents. I guess it depends on which area your prices are. But anyway, not a bad deal here. Alright, so last week I showed you a big empty section, and now the school supplies are all getting filled in here. Of course, they're still setting up like on this back wall here, but we're going to be school supply happy here soon. 4th of July clearance is down to 50% here at Meijer. Of course, if you wait a little bit longer, it'll go a little bit cheaper, but of course, you're always risking that it'll be gone. Now 70% off on the 4th of July party goods. So you've got, kitchen towels and some decor, as well as some paper plates, things like that. So not a bad deal here. There's more decor over here for 70% off, so definitely check and look for those. And like always, I'm always checking out the clearance aisle here, hoping to see some new stuff. There's some interesting stuff on clearance. Let's see how much. We've got some summer kitchen towels. It says 75% off, $1.75. I kind of feel like it should be under $1 if it's 75% off, so it's kind of crazy that it's that expensive. Some of these are $2.50. I don't even know what that is. Swedish fun cloths. So I'm gonna definitely wait on many of these, see if anything drops further down, because some of this stuff would be good for Santa shop. Alright, check in the shoe department for these red sticker only clearance prices, 75 additional % off of already marked clearance. So you're looking for the red sticker, like these pair of boots here are normally priced $60. They're on sale for $36 or clearance for $36, but they're going to be an extra 75% off. So if you're interested in getting some nice new boots, this may be a great option for you. Now do look that there are a lot of blue tickets or stickers too, and that one is not that extra 75% off, so you're going to have to look closely at your shoes. Alright, in the jewelry department, if you have the red sticker clearance, it's going to be an additional 50% off. So like these that are on clearance for $12, normally $24, are going to be now $6. And then yellow sticker only are going to be 75% off. So you have like these here that were $16, now $8. And that'll be, what, $2? So not a bad deal there. I've also noticed there's a lot of party things on clearance in the party aisle. So $2.09 for these candles from Toy Story, $2.09 for Paw Patrol. We've got some balloons, and then there's Mickey Mouse stuff that's on clearance. We even have some, it looks like some Princess stuff was on clearance. You have some Frozen here, Princess candle. So if you are getting ready to have a party, or you know what your next party theme is going to be, it might be worth checking out Meijer's clearance. We even have it down here in the plates. These are just $1.89, and down here 47 cents and 94 cents for some napkins. I even found some more. We have the birthday girl as well as the birthday boy, 99-cent clearance. You have some puffy stickers there for dinosaurs for $1.49. Some other things going on. Pin the tail on the, it looks like a dinosaur back there for just 99 cents. And then we even have this birthday sash here for just $1.99. So, oh, and a unicorn rainbow headband for $1.99. Some puff stickers, lots of really great things. I'm even seeing more as I keep looking over. We have the wands. Oh, no, those aren't part of it. I was looking at that, my bad. We do have the scavenger hunt for the birthday party there for $1.49. 99-cent little headbands for happy birthday. Yeah, so definitely check out your party aisle here. All right, I came over to find the sheet deal, but I'm actually seeing a bunch of comforters for children on clearance, $24.49, $48.99, so forth like that. So if you're getting ready to upgrade a bedroom, this might be a good place too. All right, guys, so this week you just need to walk through Meijer. Every place I look, there's clearance stickers. We have those. There's clearance over here. Just seriously, every aisle I walk down has a clearance sticker in it. We have towels on clearance. This is the time to go check and see what is going on. I'm afraid I'm not going to get to everything in this video. Alright, so I'm trying to find this deal and I just cannot find where it's at, and I'm not going to spend much more time in here, but just so you know, we're looking at sheets, and if you can find the Casual Living Comfort Wash Twin Sheets, they're on sale for $19.99 this week. There's a 5-off-1 in perk, making them $14.99. So if you wanted to grab an extra set of sheets, it's a really good price. Like I said, they're here somewhere. My store says they carry them. I'm just not going to take any more time trying to figure out where they are. More clearance on toys for animals. So I've got like dog toys over here. There was a whole bunch of them sitting over there. And then we even have more over here. So definitely, gosh, there's clearance everywhere, guys. I don't know how much I can say this before I start annoying you all, but definitely worth checking out. So I actually have two deals that I'm looking for, one within each aisle, but I can't seem to find either product to show you, so I apologize. I'm just going to tell you about them. The Raid Essentials Light Trap Starter Kit is on sale for $18.99, and we have a $10 off one in perk. I've actually seen quite a few different, bug traps or lights or whatever, but not the Raid. But that's going to leave you at a final cost of $8.99 for one of them, which is a really great deal. Oh, here it is, guys. There it is, the Raid Essentials Light Trap. Regularly priced $19.99, $18.99 is the sale price, 10 off one in perk, and that is going to leave us at a final cost of $8.99. Not a bad deal there. Then the next deal we have is going to be the Oft Clean. So the Oft Clean is regularly priced $7.29. It's buy one, get one 50% off. Plus we have a $3 off in perk. So $10.95 total. We're gonna have the 3 off in perk, $7.95 out of pocket. Spit Ibotta for 3 back on 1. Now it is no coupon deal, so you can use it on the second one without the coupon, and that's gonna leave you at $4.95 total, or $2.48 each. Not a bad deal there if you can find the product. Alright, if you're doing keto like me, Rao's pasta sauce is actually quite expensive. It's $7.39 here at Meijer. It's $6.49 each on sale, and we have a 2 off 1 in perk, making it $4.49, which is not a bad deal at all for some expensive pasta sauce. So if you're doing keto or low carb, this is the one you want to grab. There's actually a really good deal on the Safe Catch Wild Tuna pouches. Now, they do not have a tag, but they are on sale for $1.99, normally priced $2.99. And we have $1 off of each in perk, making them just 99 cents each. So really great deal if you're wanting some wild tuna from Safe Catch. All right, guys, we have a really great deal on these Dibble cookie dough bars. We have the, oh goodness, peanut butter, sugar cookie, chocolate chip. They're normally priced $2.29, but it can be $2 each when you buy 2 or more. Plus there is a buy 2, get 1 free in perk, so you're gonna get 3 of them for just $4, and it's gonna be about $1.33 each, so not a bad deal here. So go to your seasoning aisle. The Kinder seasonings are regularly priced $3.19. We do have a buy one, get one in perk for these, so it's gonna make them basically $1.60 each when you grab 2 of them. All right, another one of these keto-friendly things is this Good jams. So we have raspberry, blueberry, or strawberry. They're regularly priced $6.49, but we are getting a $1.50 off one in perk, so it's gonna make it $4.99 for one of these. Not a bad deal. I'm actually gonna wait on this one and see if it goes down at all next week, and maybe use the digital at that point. All right, so we do have a deal on the Go-Go Squeeze, either the Happy Brains, the Happy Immunes, or the Happy Tummies that are over there. They're regularly priced $9.99. They're on sale for $8.99. Now do remember this is a 10 count. There's a 2-off-1 in perk for this, making them just $6.99, so not a bad deal there if you are wanting some of these. All right, high key cookies are, you know, tend to be kind of expensive, $5 or $4.99 for these little tiny bags. However, we do have a 2 off each digital in perk today, and it's off each, so you can grab as many as you want, and you're going to get $2 off each bag, which makes them $2.99 each. Not a bad deal there, and this is also a good low-carb keto item that you can add into your mix. Just a quick observation here. I know I've realized that the graham crackers have been sky high. As you can see, there is a 2 for $7 deal, so $3.50, but we are getting the Meijer brand for $2.99 this week, so not a bad deal there. And a lot of the Meijer brand cookies are on a pretty decent deal compared to what you would pay full price for the name brands. All right, so I really like these Southern Recipe small batch pork rinds. I got some last week, and they are still buy one get one free through the 15th, but there's also this Peely coupon that was on the spicy dill ones for 50 cents off now, so you can add that into your buy one get one, which is a really great deal. Oscar Mayer hot dogs here, regularly priced $2.99, are currently buy one get one free, so it's gonna make them about $1.50 each. Not a bad deal here. All right, Ben and Jerry 1 pint of ice cream is normally priced $4.89. We do have a 3-off-1 in perk, making one of these just $1.89, which for 16 ounces, it's a much more reasonable price. The Disney Mickey Mouse Light Ice Cream Bars 6 count is regularly priced $7.99. We have a $1 off one in perk, and we have a $2 back from Ibotta. So it's going to make these just $4.99. Not a bad little deal here, especially if you're not heading to Disney but you want to. This can bring a little bit of the park into your own home. All right, these Hudsonville ice cream bar 4 count is regularly priced $5.29, on sale for just $3.99 this week, and on top of it, we have a $1 off each in perk, so it's gonna make these just $2.99 each. Not a bad deal here either. I'm not gonna lie, salted caramel looks amazing. All right, guys, so Milk Bar ice cream, these little pints, I guess, they're $5.59 regular price. There is a buy one get one in perk. It makes them just $2.80 each after the in perk, so not a bad deal here. You got a lot of selections on ice cream this week. All right, guys, this deal is back, and they're actually in stock. So these Deli Witch cheese melts, it does have to be the cheese melt 4-pack by Hot Pockets, is regularly priced $6.99, on sale for $4.99, and you're going to pay that out of pocket, but then we're going to submit to Ibotta for 3 back on 1, limit of 3 times. It makes them just $1.99. Really great deal here. I'm going to max out my 3 because it looks like we've got